there's the main elevators, one Cherry Center. And over here we got the parking elevator. Now hopefully this one is still original. A couple years ago it was. Let's see, and it is. The parking car is still original. One of the only SchindlerHaughtons. This actually might be the only SchindlerHaughton in all of Denver, basically, left. Original SchindlerHaughton, the last one in Colorado, pretty much. Down to B. Sadly, the indicator was replaced. Ooh, we're gonna have to hear that bell again properly from the outside once we get back down. Let's hear the bell. Awesome. Original SchindlerHaughton. This is, you can infer what the passengers used to look like based on this one. Just one before I get out, let's see that panel. Old SchindlerHaughton buttons. Very cool. This one still survives. I was told when they modded the other ones that they don't have any plans to mod this one. And that was in 2020, so hopefully it seems like it stayed the same. So that's it.